Welcome back to Little Yacht Sales. This is our 2007 caliber 47 long-range cruiser. It's a center cockpit sailboat with a shoal draft of 5'2". A solidly built boat with many features that make her stable, safe, and easy to handle, and she is fast offshore as proven by her first place division win in the 2019 Harvest Moon Regatta. Make sure to check out her equipment list with features such as the 6 kilowatt Northern Lights generator, Vetus bow thruster, and extensive electronics. With a spacious 6x8 foot dimensions and high back supports built into the seats, the center cockpit is more comfortable than most. It's arranged to provide the captain complete control with ease and efficiency for short-handed sailing. All sail control lines and halyards are led to the cockpit for instant access. Compartments built into the coaming accommodate jib sheets so that the coils of line won't clutter the cockpit. Features here include an Edison teak table, folding wheel, and pedestal with extensive electronics. The aft deck features a custom stainless steel arch with dinghy davits, outboard hoist, and solar as well as wind power. Just below the arch are the integrated stern seats, a fun place to sit. The transom has a swim ladder and boarding platform, and it has its own hot and cold shower. Deck storage space, a rare commodity on many center cockpit boats, is abundant on this one. 2 deck lockers forward and 2 aft can accommodate items as large as an outboard motor or an uninflated dinghy. The anchor platform simplifies anchor handling with a main and secondary windlass anchor washdown, plus a sizable anchor well for the ground tackle. This boat has many features that allow for ease of handling, including a Selden mast and in-mast furling Doyle mainsail, Furlex electric furling headsail, and bow thruster. Let's move below into the all-teak interior with 2 AC units keeping the whole boat comfortable. The main salon with its 6'6" headroom is spacious and the teak just radiates warmth and comfort. To port is an L-shaped settee with a custom slide that converts to a double berth. There's a custom dining table that folds up against the bulkhead when not in use and has a secure bottle and glassware storage behind. To starboard is a large settee and there is an abundance of storage throughout. This all-teak interior has to be seen in person to fully appreciate its beauty and craftsmanship. With a ton of storage and an exceptionally long counter, almost 10 feet, this spacious galley is one any chef would appreciate. Features here in the galley include a microwave, Force 10 3-burner stove and oven with a butcher block cover, and a Seagull freshwater filtration system. There's a front-loading refrigerator and separate freezer as well. Just inboard of the galley, there's a spacious soundproof engine compartment with its ship-like teak doors containing all the ship's mechanical, electrical, and fluid systems. She is powered by a 75 horsepower Yanmar diesel. Further aft is the private owner's quarters with its custom queen-size centerline berth, teak hull battens, hanging lockers, drawers, and custom cabinets. Walking forward along the starboard side, you enter the ensuite aft head and separate shower. It is also easily accessed from the main cabin and cockpit. Continuing forward, there is a full-size navigation station to starboard with a large chart table and electronics. Going all the way forward, you enter the guest stateroom with a large Pullman berth to port with storage underneath and hanging lockers with custom storage to starboard. The guest head is split with a marine toilet and sink to starboard and an enclosed shower compartment to port. Compared to others, this Caliber 47 has some of the best gear available, and her many additional features make this boat the perfect choice for buyers ready to start their cruising adventures today. The full specs and asking price are at the link in the description below. Please consider subscribing for more boat tours, and for our other listings, visit our website.